are testing a small feature that we want to incorporate in the track in Hong Kong. We're calling it a kicker.
Volvo Construction Equipment is the official track building partner to the fully electric World Rallycross Championship. We're right now test building a jump to make the sport even more exciting.
The idea is that off the start line, between the start line and turn 1 in Hong Kong, we'll have a small jump, and we hope to see all 5 cars flying with the Hong Kong city in the background.
But you don't want like a kick.
Maybe it might mix up the driving a little bit.
Okay, cameras are rolling.
We did the first run there, the car really didn't jump very much, so we're going to double up and see if we can get the car actually in the air.
We do this with our most effective products and services.